Hello friends, hope you are fine. So today I am going to show you how to use Outlook, how to use Gmail in Outlook. That means using Outlook you can send, receive any Gmail. All mails, those who are using Gmail, they can use Outlook for downloading or sending email. So in that case, what you have to do, just we are going to start Chrome as a browser. Then you have to log into Gmail from which email you would like to use in Outlook. This we have created one Gmail ID that I am going to log in using password. So I am entering the password, then it will log into Gmail. What you have to do, actually Gmail having two types of mail. One is POP mail, second one is IMAP. POP is post office protocol, IMAP is instant message accessing protocol. For that you have to first enable that both services, POP and IMAP. So how to enable that services? Just log into AppMail, then click on setting. Now you have to click on see all settings. Then you can get general, levels, inbox. There are multiple tabs. So you have to click on forwarding and POP IMAP. By default that all will be disabled. So what you have to do, you have to enable POP mails and IMAP will also be enabled. Then you have to, of course you have to click on save changes, otherwise it will not be changed. Okay, so that's all. Now another option is you have to check less secure apps, otherwise you cannot download Gmail to other third devices. So in that case what you have to do, you have to click on profile images, then you can manage your account, manage your Google account. Then you can see there is one security tab, just go down, you will get less secure apps, that by default is off. What you have to do, just you have to allow less secure apps is on, otherwise you cannot download Gmails to Outlook. So now our webmail settings are over. Now you have to start Outlook. So we are going to start Outlook, run, then Outlook. Now we are going to just file, you can click on add account, otherwise you can go also, if there is already another accounts, just you can set account setting, then new, you can add account from these options also. So we are going to start from direct options, direct menu, just add accounts. Then there are this thing for automatically it will check, automatically set up. Now you will go for manual check. See, just manual setup or additional server types. Next. So I told you there are two types of mail services. Mail, that is one is POP or IMAP. POP is post office protocol, IMAP is instant message accessing protocol. That means POP is it will automatically download all mail from Gmail. You can use, if there is offline also you can use POP mail, but in IMAP it will synchronize mail, whatever downloaded previous mail, then it will synchronize to webmail, and if any new mail is there then it will automatically download. So next, you name, you have to write down, see example Mr. John, you can write down, you name what you would like to show to receiver's end. So now you have to type your email ID. So now there are two options, one is POP3 and IMAP. So now we are going to setting POP3. Now incoming mail server for Gmail by default is pop.gmail.com, pop.gmail.com. For outgoing server you have to write down smtp.gmail.com, smtp.gmail.com. Okay, now you have to write down the password, the original password, by using which password you have logged into webmail. Okay, then there is other option also, new Outlook data file. If you are a new, then you can set up new. If there is already one existing database, you can download current mail to existing database. For that you have to select existing database, then browse, then you can select existing PST file, Outlook data file. Now we are going to new Outlook. Then more options. You have to select outgoing server. You have to check first topics, my outgoing server required authentication is a must. Then advanced option, Gmail is supporting only encrypted connection. In that case you have to select SSL for encrypted connection. Whenever you will check SSL, it will automatically bring the port number for POP 995. Outgoing port number by default for SSL is 465 for Gmail. So now you have to select SSL because both connection are SSL. Okay, just we are going to keep as it is, whatever these remaining things. Okay, just you have to click OK. Now you can test account, click on test account. If everything are okay, now it will be checked, incoming connection is okay. Now sending text mail, test mails for sending is also okay. Now close. Then next. As it is automatically tested, I think so there will not be any problem. It will be automatically finished. Okay, then finish. So now if you click send receipt, or if you send receipt mail, this is downloading mail or checking. See 33 receiving message. So now you can send or receive any emails. Instead of logging to Gmail, you can send mail from using Outlook. Moreover, if you use business mail, G Suite paid mail also, you can use same logic. So okay, today we have learned how to use Outlook for checking Gmail, including Gmail business mail, G Suite. So if you like this video, then like. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. See you at the next video. Thank you.